Hey guys, we're going to do a cold start of my 79 Camaro. I got it back earlier today, and it's been probably about 3 hours. So happy to get this back. Got all the framework done on it because it had some frame rot. As you can see, it's like snowy out here. We have a bunch of snow. You can't see any of that, but I'll go ahead and get my Camaro. Luckily it's not snowing yet. It's supposed to snow a lot down around here. Okay. Oops. There we go. Put on my light here. Get my keys. Sorry about that. About this. It's not going to be the best video ever because it's dark out, but I sure as hell will try my best to make it look good. One pump. Oops. Sorry about that. I shut off the radio. Oh, I gotta put the camera down for this part. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, there you go. Get to look at me. I have to hold the switch and then turn the key to. Trying to get to idle. There we go. Turn my lights on so we can see something. Oh, my brights on. I got the cover on it, so yeah. In the back. Got the front covered, sort of. It's just snowing a little bit. It still comes through pretty well. There's cover on that side of the car. Sorry you can't hear the exhaust too much. Put my thing down there. Can't see that much of it, but it sounds really good. Got snow on me. Show you the interior now. Oops, wrong foot. Slap my foot against the side to get all the snow off. Okay. Getting low on gas. Big time. But yeah, just in clean interior, pretty much stock. Inside my car here. Shut the light out. Show you what it looks like with all the lights off. Pretty much what it looks like. No tachometer. I might get one. I actually got one upstairs in my room. There you guys go. Turn my light back on. You can see the back of my car. There's my little doggy. My friend gave me that when I was a little kid, so I keep it in here. He moved away. What's the temperature outside? Showing 38 degrees. So idle's pretty good when it's warm. Got my signal on. Can't even see that other one. Running good. Put my parking lights on. Actually, my lights off. Do the radio, keep it running. Oldies. Get my little remote here. Got a remote. Sorry about this, guys. Not too much of a video. Just thought I'd start it up. There we go. Well, there you guys go. Kind of shut this off now. There you guys go. There's my 79 Camaro. If you guys want to see more of it, let me know. And bye.